Hi guys, it's Technology Laura, and today I want to talk to you about ifaketextmessage.com. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do in your browser is type the website ifaketextmessage.com, and then I'm going to show you some ways you can integrate this in your classroom. So for example, I might type name and I use Justin Bieber because the kids always laugh and smile when I write that down. And then I'll put the message, I'll say like, hola, what did we learn today? And then that's all have on the board. And then the kids actually have to text me back. And when I say that, it's just a fake text message. So they're not texting me personally, they're not having any user data on the internet, they're just interacting with me. And so the kids on their own device will say, we learned this in Spanish class, and we'll use examples from the vocabulary. Another way that you could use this is have your students actually create a conversation with two characters. So if Justin Bieber is what they're texting the person to, then his circle might be a different color. So today we learned all about, and so on. And then they can go back and forth, and you just hit add text message, as many bubbles as you want, and you can change the colors based off the person who is speaking, so you could have more than one character talking. And then what I really love about this is that you scroll all the way down here and you hit create image, and you will get a image of your text message. And so I've seen a couple different ways that you could do this. You could put it on a doc, you could print it, you could just have the kids screenshot the image, whatever you want. But when you create the image, all of the kids will have a fake text message. And I think a lot of reason why the kids like this is because it mirrors their actual cell phone. So that's kind of a lesson hook because they're very much excited and connected to their phones. So I really hope you like that, and knowing that creating the image just is kind of one more thing that you can do and use in your classroom. So I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more EdTech tips. Thank you.